Etech Prowess is a specialized technology training firm that has pioneered system engineering driven by cutting-edge technologies such as embedded, VLSI, IoT, automation, device drivers, cloud, and web technologies in an applied way across industry sectors over the last few years. Etech Prowess originated from the primary company Univision Technology, which has been serving Tier 1 and product-based companies in the market for the last 9 years, providing engineering and IT services.
Etech is all about engineering, embedded systems. We are primarily focusing on the core technologies. There is a lot of opportunities in the market today across these technologies, and it is obviously a lucrative opportunities as well, playing a vital role as a catalyst in terms of bridging this skill gap. We are having 4 segments right now. So one is students, and the second one is the freshers. The third one is working professionals, and the fourth one is the corporate segment. The first category is of students. Students often we have seen that they'll be primarily focusing on the academics, not focus much on effective communication skills, project-specific skills, or networking skills. These are all very, very important ingredients for them to get into a long-term sustainable career. So in Etech Prowess, we have come up with a plan. It is called Systematic Skill Development Program. In terms of the skills that is required for them to acquire, will be converted into modules. So right from the second or third sem, they will be starting the primary skill sets that is required, and eventually, graduating towards the completion of that. So in this way, they will have a complete readiness in order to do well in the campus interviews, or also in order to crack the interviews in the open market. This is the primary goal that we intend to cater and we intend to deliver for the students. So the budding talents today, the students, whatever they have, while they are doing the academics, while learning, they can also acquire these skill sets. So then it becomes easy for them to straight away get into the job soon after they're completing the professional degrees.
Everyone, I'm Niranjan here, and I'm a part of this Etech Prowess, and I can definitely say this has been an amazing experience for all the true and budding engineers who want to go to the code domain.
Hello guys, my name is Ratan and I've been taking hardware testing and validation course in Etech Prowess. So, after engineering, it's very hard to get a job in core company.
Vidya, and for the past 2 months, I'm doing my validation and testing courses in Etech Prowess. And after completing engineering, as everyone knows, in the global world where everyone is struggling for a job,
I'll tell you honestly, as an engineering student, I've been trying really hard and really focused on trying to find a career which has been part of my same domain.
But by joining here, I came to know that what is a computer, how it works.
Being an electronics and communication student, I really wish to have something more in the technical domain. And being in Bangalore, that is the IT hub of India, it's really difficult to find such kind of companies which encourage students and boost their career by giving a very good hands-on experience to all the students.
while joining Etech Prowess, I thought, okay, whatever we know, we are going to study the same thing itself. But going day by day, I'm learning more, and I, at least now, if anyone asks me anything about the core technologies, I can even tell.
How we can recover the loss of our data and rest of all of the things.
The vast and knowledgeable staff out here are very friendly.
I surely tell that our staffs and everyone in lab, everywhere, all my team members, everyone helped me in everything. I'll recommend you to join Etech Prowess for a very good career life.
Is when we get to see the hands-on experience, we actually get to feel the components in our hands, and the way they teach us, the way they help us to boost our confidence is very good, and it inculcates very good learning knowledge, and the learning curve is also very good at the same time out here. I would definitely recommend the Etech Prowess to everyone out here. All the best.